Hi, I created an original crochet design and I've posted the tutorial already on YouTube, and I posted the short clips on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and even Threads, and I've been having lots of questions about this particular design, so I'm here to answer some of those questions. If I forget any question that you may have or you've not asked me your question, please let me know in the comment section. I'll do another video to address that. First of all, I've been asked how long it took me to make this dress. I did not record the time that I used to make this dress. I've not recorded it yet, but I'm going to try to. Hooray! Come on. So I'm going to try to make a record and see the actual time that it takes me to make this dress. But for now, I know it took me like 3 to 4 days to make it, but not time on hook. My time on hook would be around 12 to 15 hours, but I'm not sure yet, so I'm not going to say it's 12 to 15 hours until I record it, okay? So please stay posted on that. I'm going to post how long it takes me to make this dress. Number two question is the sizes. In the video I made the medium size, and I also explained how to make the extra small size, a large size, and an extra large size. But I had a few comments asking me how to start an extra large size, that's a 2x large. So I would suggest that if you are 2x or other than that, from the beginning of the video I said if you're a medium size you should make 13 stitches. If you're an extra large size you should make 16 stitches. Now just keep adding the stitch in threes for other sizes. Let's say you're a 2x large, make 19 stitches. If you're a 2x large, your 3x large, make 90 stitches, except you have very big boobs, and you can make another 21 stitches at the beginning, but I feel like that will be very big. But I don't know. The truth is you're just going to try it. Like I said before, this is an original design. Everything I do in the first few months from now is trial and error. Truthfully, when I started doing this design, when I did the first one, I loosened it more than 10 times. Yes, I loosened in more than 10 times, and that is it. Like, you just have to keep trying and then you retry again. I know it takes a lot of time, but that's why it's crochet, and that's why some people say it's expensive, even though I don't think it's expensive. So you have to keep trying. Do add the stitches in threes if you want to add for more stitches. If you want to reduce in threes, except you're making an extra small size, which I said you should do 11 stitches. I hope you understand that. Thank you very much. So the next thing is I posted that none of these crochet dresses are the same, and people are coming for me. Why are you dragging me? It's my design. I know what I put in, I know what I do, and I know why I said none of them are the same. Someone said that if I'm following a pattern to do the dress, then everything is the same. Well, that means you don't understand what crochet is. You don't understand what art is. Now, for example, I'm using this type of yarn. I have my reasons why I'm using this type of yarn. This is the Red Hat Super Saver stripes yarn. It comes in different colors, and I have 3 basic colors here that I'm using for this particular design. This one, my husband is here, don't mind him. So this one, honey, stop. This one and this one. Now if you look these colors, it's like a dye. So they dyed these colors, so that means that no two of this yarn is the same. And if no two of this yarn is the same, that means no two of this dress will be the same, because the colors will always fall in different palettes when you use it on this dress, except you decide to use a plain design. If you decide to use a plain design too, let me tell you, it can never be the same too, even though you're making two the same size. Do you know why? Because I do not count. Maybe you do, but I do not count. And when I'm teaching my crochet, when I do my tutorials, I do not tell you, oh, do counting, apart from the very first one where I said that you should do 16 stitches or 11 stitches or 13 stitches. Apart from that, did you see me counting? Apart from here, and even when I'm counting from here, I'm always telling you, you can do 30, or you can do 25, or you can do 35, depending on your size. Now that is not an exact counting. That means someone that is a medium size can do 25, someone that is a medium size can do 30, depending on how big the waist is, right? Now in that particular instance, that dress have changed. If you should take a critical look at that particular design, you notice that those two dresses are slightly different. So that's the uniqueness. Every of this crochet dress is different, is unique in its own way. If you cannot see the uniqueness, then you're not our target audience. So sorry, bye. Maybe that video was not for you. Okay, another thing that I think I have been asked on this dress is the underarm. So there's a part in this dress where you have to do, after doing the 2 breast cup, you have to do 25 chains from here to the back, or 30 chains from here to the back. That particular place where you start your chain is exactly where I started my chain in this video. Please look at the video, watch the video. Do not do any other thing than what I did there. Where I said you should put the chain is where you put the chain. Don't go upward, don't go downward. Just watch the video very well. I think that's just it. And any other thing that I remember, if you have any question that I have not answered in this video, please let me know in the comment section. If you have any issues while you're trying to make this dress, please send me a direct message on Facebook or Instagram, where you can send a video clip of your work so I can correct you with that. Before we go, please guys, this is an original design and I created this design from scratch. Now I try to pass this knowledge to you. Because I know that there are people that want to watch, that want to do this dress, and they need help in doing it. It's me helping, all right? I am a kind of artist that I look at things, and if I cannot do them from looking at them, I barely read tutorials. So I don't know how to read written patterns. I hate writing written patterns. But I'm going to try to be reading and be writing patterns. But for now, I only try to pass what I'm doing down to you through a video. So my explanation is the way I feel or I understand this dress. That is how I explained in the video. That's why I always say that if you have any issues, please let me know either in the comment section or in my DM, because I might not have pass that knowledge the way I wanted to, or the way you would understand very well. I just try my best to tell you what I did, and I think you can do it and get the results like that. So please don't be too critical with me with my tutorial. I try my best to do the best I can to show you what I do or how I do to get a particular design. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If I forgot anything, if I've forgotten anything, or you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. Like I said earlier, thank you so much. I'm going to see you in my next video. I love you guys, and I'm so grateful for all the love that you've shown to me through this design, all the love that you've shown, whether you're buying, whether you are watching, whether you're sharing, whether you're commenting. That's all true love, and I love you guys so much. Thank you. I really appreciate. Don't forget to like, comment on this video, and share this video with your loved ones. I love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.